This is problem set 3, Monica Murphy, group 6. So for question number 3, again, we're bringing up this table that we filled out previously in question 2. So question 3A asks us to figure out the CHD incidence in the exposed. So we are looking at consumers, which are 70, over the total of exposed, which is 3,000, and we're multiplying that by 1,000. So we get 23 per 1,000 population. And then we're also asked to figure out the incidence in the unexposed. So we look at the incidence of the non-consumers, which is 88 cases, over divided by 5,000 total population, and we multiply that by 1,000, and we get 18 per 1,000 population. And next, we are asked to figure out what the risk ratio is, and that is the incidence in the exposed divided by the incidence in the unexposed. So we take 23 per 1,000 divided by 18 per 1,000, and we are given 1.28. So to interpret this risk ratio, we're asked, how do we verbalize the risk to consumers compared to the non-consumers shown by this risk ratio? And then considering the risk ratio as a measure of strength of the association between the exposure and the outcome, do we think that the risk ratio this size is no, weak, moderate, or strong evidence for the association between, and that should be sugar-sweetened beverage use and CHD. So the consumers of sugar-sweetened beverages are 1.28 times more likely to develop CHD, according to this study. This is weak evidence for the association of sugar-sweetened beverages and their link to CHD.